This is a hand warmer that's also a power battery bank for like your iPhone or something like that. I did take it out and check it out and look it over, and this thing is awesome to use. It's got a little LED light on it. It's a LED display on the front. It's a Type-C charging, and it's a hand warmer. But the coolest thing is, I like the fact that it's a power battery bank that also serves another function. Just taking it out of the package here, like I said, I had it out, I looked over it, and I'll show you everything you get with it there. There's that right there. Take this little cover off. There's your USB-C cable. I've already charged this thing. It has a little like dongle strip, a little lanyard that goes right in there. And to put the lanyard in, you're just gonna run it like that. And then you're gonna run your cord through there. And there's your little lanyard, and it's like rubberized. But here's something really cool on this, everybody. So hold that button down. There's your L1, L2, L3. Now what that is, that's levels. To turn on your little flashlight, double click. So you have a little mini flashlight. Check that out. We're on level 1 right now. I can tell y'all, this thing is heating up fast. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on 5, or I think it goes to 4. 4 levels. And what's cool is, so this is in your pocket, right? And it's just like you're holding on to it. It feels absolutely amazing in your hand. It's very nice, ergonomically made right there, but it's also a power backup. But check this out. What I'm gonna do, so just looking at the table here, so this is it looks like we're at 73 degrees right there. So the actual temperature in this room is 73. The front of that is 83, which feels about right, 83. But check it out, everybody. When I roll it over, now it's on level 4. Check this out. 125. That is 118, 120, 120, 128, 130, which is like not hot, but if you had this down in your pocket and you just wanted to warm your hands up, absolutely amazing. If you're like a lot of people and you get really cold hands in the wintertime and you need a way of heating them up, this is something I highly recommend. This thing is awesome. And let's go ahead and let's try to use it as a charger. I got my little GoPro battery here, put that in there. You know what? All we need is a USB-C. So let's plug that in there. And this one will go in here. And let's see if the lights come on. There it is. It's charging. So it's also a charger, which it's what? It's a 7,000 milliamp charger and an input of 5 volts, input max, and output of 5 volts, 2 amps. So great for any type of like charging a cell phone or something like that. How cool is that, everybody? And you can kind of go, I can cycle through right here. This button cycles through. And this one right here will tell you how much power you still have left in this thing. So cool, and it comes in multiple colors. I would almost get 2 of these and have one for each hand, slide it down in your pocket and have this on the go. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got for the, the battery-powered hand warmer. Check it out. See you guys in the next video. Woo!